Let's learn the letter combination for the vowel sound U. Certain letters of the alphabet act together to produce this sound. It could be a single letter of the alphabet or combination of the letters of the alphabet. These letter combinations are pronounced as U in the following words. Examples: U in pool, bullet; O in wolf, woman; OR in worsted; OU in courier; OO in took, rook. Let's transcribe them for easy understanding. Pool is transcribed as this: pool, bullet, bullet, wolf, wolf, woman, woman, worsted, worsted, courier, courier, took, rook. With this, it will be very easy for you to pronounce these words correctly. Please like, comment, and share this video.